LinkedIn ads thought leader hack, how to edit a post that you're sponsoring after it's already sponsored. So here I'm running a campaign with thought leader ads, and here's a handful of my thought leader ads that I'm running. So most people don't know this, but I can actually go into my thought leader ad. Here you can see that it shows promoted. This is the thought leader ad. And say you want to come back. I didn't have these links in the original post. So originally I posted this and I didn't add links because that would kill my organic reach. But then afterwards, I came back and I edited this post. And so here's how you do it. If you click up here, you can copy the link to the post, and then you're going to paste that into a new window. It's going to bring up the original post that I posted a year ago. And then I come up here and I can actually edit the post. From here, I can make whatever additions I want. I can, obviously, if you're looking at this, if there's spelling I should fix, there's maybe a link that's broken. But I can make all these edits and I can save it. Now, the one thing you should know is that this sends it back into review mode for LinkedIn. And if you add the wrong stuff or too much, you could risk getting that rejected when it already was approved. That could cause some problems, but most people don't know you can edit the post after you're already sponsoring it. And this is how you do it.